for us, it's a platform to showcase the new technologies to the channel partners. And this year we've introduced more than 10 technologies, and some of them are actually going to completely redefine the way video surveillance industry exists in the market. One of them I shall talk about is HD CVI. Now, this is a completely revolutionary technology in which existing setups of the video surveillance, so every existing setup can be upgraded to full HD quality without changing the wire. So you just replace your camera and your recorder and you get into a full HD setup on the same installation, which is the biggest problem today consumers face, that they have cameras of very low resolution and very poor quality in the past installed as their first time buy, and whenever there is an incident, they don't really get the face of the culprit. What happened exactly, the clarity is missing, or the nighttime clarity is missing, or you don't recognize the face. So with HD quality, which is you get a megapixel resolution and almost at analog pricing. That's what India wants. So HD quality at analog pricing with the existing setup, this is completely going to redefine how video surveillance happens in the country. So that's one thing which is very new, being launched this year, and also on the global. See, we have actually beautifully segmented our brands from the bottom to the top end of the pyramid. So we have products right at the bottom in the retail bazaar market. We have brands in the mid-tier value for money high-end solutions. We have the multinational brands also in a different league altogether, and then we have some really top-end brands for the city surveillance, those kind of projects. So the idea is it helps us cover every segment of the customer, be it government, be it corporate sector, private sector, retail, or a simple jewelry shop, or a warehouse, or even a house. So the whole pyramid has been segmented in a way that each level of the market, we have different solutions and different brands. Yeah, I think the trend, one thing is very, there are 2-3 trends happening. People are moving to higher resolution of, so better clarity, higher resolution, HD, IP. So people are moving, they demand more quality. So they feel it's not just getting a video, it's clarity which is more important, which actually solves the purpose. So that is one trend which is happening globally, and I think India will catch up very soon. And people are also looking at next is intelligence in the system. So camera is a dumb device. Camera is just going to capture what you are saying, but it cannot analyze it. So then there is a role of software and video analytics which comes in the game. So very soon we will also launch products for mass market with market intelligence on the products. Right now we already have products, but more for projects. Soon the technology will move to consumer. So every consumer can have some video analytics as part of their products. So that will bring in more intelligence in the system, and the data which the camera captures can be more analyzed and used, and the system will tell you, rather than a human eye 24/7 looking at the video. I think cloud from data storage is definitely a big thing, and already has caught up. From video storage, I think it's still yet to be seen how strongly the cloud service can be portrayed, can be deployed, because the streaming and the bandwidth costs are pretty high. At this moment, not much has happened on cloud with respect to video surveillance. A lot of companies trying to do something, especially IT companies and storage companies, trying to get this into the video surveillance space. But I don't see much at this moment happening. We are also watching how the technology will prevail, how consumers will look at it, because India, it's still the first time buyer. So some telecom companies might get into this as a service, but that is one segment of the market. Again, the bandwidth will be a challenge still. all I would like to say is that start offering value to the customer. And when I say value is just don't feed what they ask and sell the cheapest products. Because to retain a customer, it's not just product selling. You have to add value, understand his need, and give him the solution. So when you add value, the customer is always for you, looking upon you that you are a technology leader. So look at the new technologies that we have launched this year and start doing 20-30% of your business on those newer technologies which are more affordable, value for money, because we always keep in mind that India is a smart buyer. India will not overpay for any technology, will pay the right price for the right technology.